Hello students, welcome to Design Concept of Building Services class. The topic is single and three-phase supply. What is single phase supply means in electric supply system? In the field of electrical, single phase supply is the delivery of AC power by a system in which all the supply voltages change in simultaneously. AC power means alternative current power. This type of power supply sharing is used when the loads for taking example, home appliances means the fan, using a refrigerator, mixer, whatever the electrical equipments, or generally heat and lighting with some huge electric motors. You can observe the graph given here, single phase waveform, how it happened. Here you can observe the graph for y-axis given voltage and x-axis with respect to time, how the wave will form in single phase. Next, what are the benefits of choosing a single phase supply? Include the following. The design is less complex and design cost is less. Most efficient AC power supply for up to 1000 watts. Single phase AC power supply is most competent for up to 1000 watts. Next, three-phase supply. What is three-phase supply? The three-phase power supply include 4 wires such as one neutral as well as 3 conductors. The 3 conductors are away from phase and space 120-degree distant from each other. Three-phase power supplies are utilized as a single-phase AC power supply. For the small load, one-phase AC power supply as well as neutral can be chosen from the three-phase AC power supply system. You can observe the waveform image given here, three-phase waveform, how it happens, how it comes by graphically. We can observe the phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. The benefits of choosing a three-phase supply include the following. Lessening of security risks for employees. The efficiency of the conductor is greater. Facility to run high power loads. High power loads means, for example, heavy motors, and those are comes under those are required high power supply, that means three-phase supply. Protective devices in electrical installation. Electrical protective devices, a device used to protect equipment, machinery, components and devices in electrical and electronic circuit against short circuit, overcurrent and earth fault is called as protective devices. Necessity of protective devices. What are the necessity? Protective devices are necessary to protect electrical appliances or equipment against short circuit. It is very important. Abnormal variations in the supply voltage. Of course, it also happen in our daily life. We are observed in our home or in our college. Okay, this happens. Overloading of equipment. Overloading of equipment. To protect operator against accidental contact with the faulty equipment, following which the operator may get a severe shock. Types of protective devices. Yes, what are the devices are there and what are the types are there? Let's see. Different types of protective device that are commonly used in electrical and electronic circuit. Fuse wire or fuse. MCB, miniature circuit breaker. ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. ELCB and MCB, earthing or grounding. What is fuse wire or fuse? I hope you already know that fuse concept. In your home you are using this device. Fuse generally means a fuse wire placed in a fuse holder. It is a safety device which protects electrical and electronic circuit against overloads, short circuit and earth faults. The fuse link or fuse wire is made up of low resistivity material and low melting point. Fuse is a short length of wire designed to melt and separate in case of excessive current. Then the current drawn by the circuit exceeds the rated current of the fuse wire. The fuse wire melts and breaks. This disconnects the supply from the circuit and thus protects the circuit and the components in the circuit. You can observe the figure here given the fuse photo.